I'm Rick Conyers with Wyoming Machinery, and this video is on gasket kits and bearing kits. First thing you want to do is put in a full serial number, and then click on Navigate. When you do that, it's going to come up with an arrangement page of everything that your machine was shipped with. We're in parts right now, so if I scroll down over here to Service Equipment and Supplies and click on that, notice we've got bearing kits, cartridge kits, gasket kits and seals, rebuild kits, and PM preventive maintenance kits over here. We'll just open up bearing kits. Notice all of these bearing kits have a warning indicator. We've got the final drive kit. And most of these are probably right for the machine, but you would want to double check the serial number. If you hover over this warning indicator, it says here that associated arrangement not referenced by invoice. So this bearing kit didn't come in the invoice, is all that warning indicator is saying. So if you make sure that's your correct serial number, that's probably the right bearing kit. To look up engine arrangement kits, you're better off to go to your actual engine arrangement. So you can come over here to your machine arrangement page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And if you look down here at the bottom left corner, you've got your engine arrangement. You can go ahead and just click on that, and that'll take you to the engine arrangement page. It brings up this D11T track type tractor C32 engine, and ask you if your serial number falls in this range. You can click on that, and here's your arrangement page. So this is everything your engine was shipped with. You can order parts from here. You can click on these active links if I'm looking for something under the front cover group. Also, there's an alternative parts here that gives you a short block and a couple different complete engines. There's an option button here. If you click on that options, it will give you your gasket kits for your engine. And these are going to be your gasket kits for your arrangement numbers. So that's probably the best way to find your engine gasket kits. Another way to look up kits is to come up here in the search box and type in kits and hit search. Notice that I got 378 results. Now I'm going to come over here to the little gear. Over here in filters, I've got, this is all. This little gear is just parts. This is articles. And this is publications. I want to click on just parts and see how many parts I have for kits. Notice I got no hits on that, so I have no kits available. Part of that might be the nomenclature. If I get rid of kits and just type in kit and hit search, now I've got 881 results. So any kit made for this machine or that engine will probably be in here, and I can come over here and I can sort it by information type. I hope this video helps you find kits, and thanks for your time. And we'll see you next time.